think he should treat women like this guy treats his mom. You know?
I'm telling you,
if
and
he sees
it
that
becomes
every day.
a vicious cycle.
Yeah.
And ladies, just please understand this. If you're talking to God, trust that God will take care of you. You're talking about some money.
You gotta listen now.
Man, can I please tell you God can give you some money? Please. He will supply your needs. You've heard that. That's not a saying. That's a fact. 55.
You're listening to the Steve Harvey Morning Show.
Classics 103.5.
Hey, listen up, everybody. Getting to the top is not about luck. It's about being the best, plain and simple. The people at Ford know that. Look at the F-150. Folks have been buying the F-Series more than any other pickup for the past 31 years. And not because they're hard, because Ford F-150 has the best in class payload, or because it's the best in class towing. I can't say. But what I do know is I didn't get the F-150 because it came with rabbit foot. I got the F-150 because it's the best and it's built for a truck.
Got that sizzle. Kenisha sizzle. That hot leg smoked sausage on the grill. Feel that sizzle. Kenisha sizzle. Families here, we grilling out. Hillshire Farm is what we bought.
That's right, babe. Hillshire's king. Now watch your mama do this thing. When I say Hillshire, you say